Hi friends, it's another crafty day in the Craftbox Girls studio, and today I'm going to share a really cool new technique and teach you how to make a clock. So check out this guy behind me. You're going to learn how to marble and how to put together the perfect clock. So let's get started. First step is to take a round piece of wood, drill a hole, and paint it white. Next, pick out your favorite colors of Marabou Easy Marble. Wear gloves to protect your hands. Shake the Marabou Easy Marble vigorously. Pour each color of Easy Marble over room temperature water. Work quickly for best results. Swirl with a stick to create a beautiful design. Next, submerge your wood into the water. Take a clock mechanism and insert it into the wooden circle. Install the clock mechanism according to the package instructions. Next, add numbers. How gorgeous did this clock turn out? I think it is so much fun, and I love this project because you can really pick any colors. There are so many different colors of Marabou Easy Marble that you can really create a project that fits your home decor. All right, so if you love this project, please never miss another project from us. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on your notifications. And if you loved it, share it with your friends. And if you've got a question, post it in the comments. All right, stay tuned. We've got more crafty projects coming your way. Bye, guys.